This is a status report on the building of this Sheraton work table. The joinery is complete here, as you can see. All the mortise and tenon joints are connected with the rails in the front here, and the top rail front is dovetailed into the top. And then there's this frame with the drawer runners here, and these drawer runners are mortise and tenoned into the rails at the front, and also a tongue goes into a groove here in the back piece. Notice that I veneered the back face, the inside face of the back, and I've also put the veneer on the inside face of the side pieces. As you can see over here. So it goes together. Nothing's glued yet because all the veneering has to be done before I put this together. And so all of these faces of the side and the back will have an array of different types of wood veneering on the surface here. I have done the panel of this front leg here. It hasn't been planed down flat. It's got all this glue on it, hide glues. So I have put an array of different kinds of woods here. I'll go through a separate video on how to do this veneering of the leg panel. Also, on the legs, I have glued in the bandings, the 6 bandings. This has still got a lot of glue. This needs to be flattened and with a hand plane and a scraper blade and cleaned up. There is one leg back here where I have finished flattened the inlay in the leg and these bandings. And also, again, you can see where I've added the veneering of the panel, the leg panel here, and that is some burl in the middle here, which is big leaf maple burl, and then some white black banding around the border. Then there is some straight grained mahogany on the outside of that, and also our 2 pieces of banding that go in a horizontal location here. That banding will be carried across the side as well. So it's coming along. This will also be covered in the back here with the veneer pattern. Here's another face where I've done the panel on the back leg. So there's a lot of hide glue veneering work to be done here before I can glue this together.